Egyptian army has increased its crackdown on tunnels between Gaza and Egypt following the toppling of President Mohamed Morsi. These days you can see Egyptian bulldozers destroying tunnels along the border with Gaza more than any time in the past. Egyptian army has also deployed tanks which have pointed their guns towards Gaza. The once bustling tunnels area, nestled between the southern town of Rafah and the Sinai Peninsula, looks more like a ghost town. There is no more transfer of goods or other vital commodities via the underground lifeline for the blockaded coastal enclave.